Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Ranger tail light. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your basic tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and the new replacement bulb. You'll find two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place on the side of the truck bed. It's a straightforward process. Now, let's get to removing the old tail light. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the two retaining screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the truck's body. Be careful not to force it. Then, twist each bulb socket counterclockwise to remove them from the housing. With the old bulbs removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully push the new bulb into its socket, ensuring it's seated firmly and correctly. It's a good idea to test the new bulb at this stage. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly before you put everything back together. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Twist the bulb sockets clockwise back into the new tail light assembly. Carefully align the assembly with the truck's body and push it firmly into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Once everything is back together, perform a final check to ensure all your tail lights are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.